Look up at the night sky. It's a vast expanse of darkness, dotted with countless stars, each one a distant sun, each one a beacon of light in the infinite cosmos. Among these celestial bodies there is one that stands out, a red jewel in our sky. See that crimson point of light shimmering like a distant ember? That's Mars. Unlike the other stars, Mars is a planet, a world unto itself, orbiting our sun just like Earth. Its reddish hue has fascinated humans for millennia, a beacon of mystery and wonder. For centuries it has captivated our imagination. Ancient civilizations named it after their gods of war, seeing in its blood-red color a symbol of conflict and power. Astronomers of old charted its movements, marveling at its retrograde motion, a dance that defied the orderly paths of the stars. This celestial neighbor, with its rusty hues and enigmatic features, has whispered tales of adventure and discovery. Its surface, marked by vast canyons, towering volcanoes, and ancient riverbeds, tells a story of a planet that was once dynamic and possibly habitable. It has fueled countless dreams of reaching beyond our pale blue dot, of seeking new horizons among the stars. The idea of setting foot on Mars, of exploring its alien landscapes, has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. But what if those dreams weren't just fantasies? What if the vision of humans living and working on Mars could become a reality? Imagine a future where we have established colonies on the red planet, where we have learned to harness its resources and adapt to its harsh environment. What if Mars, the seemingly unattainable, could one day be within our grasp? With advancements in technology and a renewed spirit of exploration, we are closer than ever to making this dream come true. Robotic missions have already paved the way, sending back invaluable data and stunning images of the Martian surface. What if, instead of just gazing at its distant glow, we could walk its surface, breathe its air, and call it our second home? The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Establishing a human presence on Mars would be a monumental achievement, a testament to our ingenuity and determination. The question isn't whether Mars holds the potential for life. We have already found tantalizing hints of water and organic molecules, suggesting that life could have existed there in the past or might even exist today in some hidden niche. The question is, are we bold enough to seize that potential, to transform possibility into reality? Are we ready to invest the time, resources, and effort needed to turn Mars from a distant dream into a new frontier for humanity? Are we ready to embark on the greatest adventure in human history and make Mars our next home? The journey will be long and arduous, but the rewards are beyond measure. Imagine the scientific discoveries, the technological advancements, and the new perspectives we would gain from becoming a multiplanetary species. The journey won't be easy. The challenges are immense. From the harsh Martian climate to the vast distances involved, every step will test our resolve and ingenuity. But with each challenge comes an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. But the rewards, the sheer audacity of it all, are enough to stir the soul of every explorer, every dreamer, every human being who has ever looked up at the stars and felt a longing for something more. Mars beckons us with the promise of new beginnings, of a future where we are not confined to one planet, but are free to explore the vastness of space. Mars beckons, a red siren in the vast cosmic ocean. Its crimson hue stands out against the blackness of space, a beacon that has captured human imagination for centuries. From ancient astronomers who gazed at it with wonder, to modern scientists who send rovers to its surface, Mars has always been a source of fascination and mystery. It's a harsh mistress, this planet. The Martian landscape is unforgiving, with its rocky terrain and dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. The surface is littered with craters and valleys, a testament to the violent history of this world. Yet despite its harshness, Mars continues to allure us with the promise of discovery and adventure. It's a world of stark beauty, of towering volcanoes and canyons that dwarf our Grand Canyon. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, rises 13 miles above the Martian surface, a colossal reminder of the planet's volcanic past. Valles Marineris, a canyon system that stretches over 2,500 miles, offers a glimpse into the geological forces that have shaped Mars over billions of years. But its allure is undeniable. The Martian horizon, with its reddish hue and distant mountains, evokes a sense of otherworldly beauty. The thin atmosphere allows for stunning views of the stars, unimpeded by the light pollution that plagues Earth. For those who dream of exploration, Mars represents the ultimate frontier. It whispers of a future where humanity is no longer confined to a single planet. The idea of establishing a human colony on Mars has moved from the realm of science fiction to serious scientific inquiry. Concepts for future habitats designed to protect against the harsh Martian environment are being developed. These habitats could one day house the first Martian settlers, pioneers in a new era of human exploration. But could we actually live there? The challenges are immense. Mars's thin atmosphere offers little protection from cosmic radiation, and its surface temperatures can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Water, a crucial resource for any colony, is scarce and mostly locked in ice. Yet with advancements in technology and a spirit of determination, these obstacles are not insurmountable. Could we transform this alien landscape into a new home for humankind? The concept of terraforming, altering the Martian environment to make it more Earth-like, has been proposed. This would involve warming the planet, thickening its atmosphere, and introducing water and plant life. While this is a monumental task that could take centuries, it represents a bold vision for the future of humanity. The answer, like Mars itself, is shrouded in mystery and tantalizing possibility. Each mission to Mars, from the Viking landers to the Perseverance rover, brings us closer to understanding this enigmatic planet. The data collected helps scientists piece together the history of Mars, revealing clues about its past climate and potential for life. On the one hand, Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. Its day is just over 24 hours, and it has seasons due to its axial tilt. The presence of polar ice caps and evidence of ancient rivers and lakes suggest that Mars once had a more hospitable environment, possibly even supporting microbial life. It has polar ice caps, seasons, and even evidence of ancient rivers and lakes. These features indicate that Mars underwent significant climatic changes, transitioning from a wetter, warmer past to the cold, arid desert we see today. Understanding these changes is crucial for determining the planet's habitability and potential for future colonization. These clues suggest a planet that might have once been habitable, perhaps even teeming with life. The discovery of organic molecules and methane spikes in the Martian atmosphere hints at the possibility of past or present life. If life ever existed on Mars, it would have profound implications for our understanding of life's potential in the universe. But Mars today is a far cry from its potentially life-friendly past. The planet's surface is barren, with no liquid water and a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide. The harsh conditions make it a challenging environment for human survival, requiring innovative solutions to sustain life. It's a cold, arid desert, its surface bombarded by radiation from the sun. The lack of a magnetic field means that Mars is constantly exposed to harmful cosmic rays, posing a significant risk to human health. Any future colony would need to address these radiation hazards, possibly through underground habitats or advanced shielding technologies. Its atmosphere is thin, barely a whisper compared to Earth's protective blanket. This thin atmosphere not only fails to block radiation but also makes it difficult to retain heat, leading to extreme temperature fluctuations. Creating a stable, breathable atmosphere on Mars would be one of the greatest engineering challenges humanity has ever faced. So, the question remains, can we bridge the gap between what Mars is now and what we need it to be? The journey to transform Mars into a habitable world is fraught with challenges, but it also offers unparalleled opportunities for scientific discovery and human advancement. The dream of making Mars our second home drives innovation and inspires generations to push the boundaries of what is possible. Can we overcome the challenges, adapt to the harsh realities, and unlock the secrets this enigmatic planet holds? The quest to answer these questions will define the future of space exploration and our place in the cosmos. As we stand on the brink of a new era, Mars calls to us, daring us to reach for the stars and turn the dream of interplanetary life into reality. Let's talk gravity, shall we? It's the force that keeps our feet firmly planted on Earth. But on Mars, gravity is a different beast altogether. It's weaker, about 38% of what we experience on Earth. Imagine this. You step onto the Martian surface, you take a leap and you soar. You're lighter than you've ever been, free from the constant pull of Earth's embrace. Sounds exhilarating, doesn't it? But there's a catch, as there always is. This Martian lightness comes with a price. Our bodies, finely tuned to Earth's gravity over millennia, might not take kindly to this newfound freedom. Muscles could atrophy, bones could weaken, and our cardiovascular system might throw a cosmic tantrum. And that's just the beginning. The thin Martian atmosphere poses another formidable challenge. It's about 100 times thinner than Earth's, mostly composed of carbon dioxide. Not exactly the kind of air we're used to breathing. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars. The ground beneath your feet is a rusty red, a stark contrast to the familiar greens and blues of Earth. The landscape is both alien and mesmerizing, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the cosmos. The sky above isn't the familiar blue we know, instead it's a canvas painted with shades of pink and orange, a result of the fine dust particles suspended in the thin atmosphere. It's a pale, dusty pink, a subtle reminder that you're a long way from home. The sun appears smaller, casting a dimmer light, making the landscape look even more surreal. You reach for your oxygen mask, a constant companion in this alien world. Without it, the thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere would be lethal in minutes. The Martian air, thin and unbreathable to US Earthlings, is a constant threat. It can't sustain us. The pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, making it impossible for liquid water to exist on the surface for long. Every breath we take, every moment we spend outside our protective habitats, will require ingenuity, technology, and a healthy dose of caution. Our survival depends on advanced life support systems, capable of providing oxygen, water, and warmth in this harsh environment. But the view, it's breathtaking. The vastness of the Martian landscape stretches out before you, an endless expanse of red and orange, dotted with ancient riverbeds and craters. Vast plains stretch out before you, painted in hues of rust and ochre. The ground is covered in fine dust, a remnant of the planet's volcanic past. In the distance, towering volcanoes pierce the sky, silent giants that haven't erupted in eons. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, stands as a testament to the planet's fiery history. And then there's the silence, a profound, almost deafening silence that envelops you, making you acutely aware of your own presence in this vast, empty world. The kind of silence that envelops you, broken only by the hum of life support systems and the crunch of your boots on the red dust. Each step you take is a reminder of the challenges and the triumphs of human exploration. It's a silence that speaks volumes about the challenges and the awe-inspiring potential of this alien world. Mars, with its stark beauty and unforgiving environment, beckons us to explore, to push the boundaries of what we know, and to dream of what we might achieve.